90 miles east of downtown Houston, Texas, where wetlands meet the roadway, Defy Structural Fiberglass was called in to solve a persistent and dangerous issue at a popular rest stop. Standing water, rotting wood, and warped wood decking had created serious hazards for pedestrians and maintenance crews alike. The challenge? Build a safe, long-lasting walkway through a wetland environment prone to flooding and decay. Defy delivered a full FRP solution, featuring a durable substructure of square tube bases, channel frames, and integrated curbs to guide foot traffic and keep visitors safe. On top, Defy installed their signature FRP decking, reinforced with a grit-top finish for slip resistance, even in the wettest conditions. The build called for massive quantities: 35,000 feet of 2-inch thick deck board, 8,000 of 10 by half channel, 16,000 of 8 by 3/8 channel, plus thousands of feet of structural tube and angle. The result? A low-maintenance, cost-effective, elevated pedestrian walkway built to stand the test of time. It's more than a fix. It's a long-term solution engineered for safety, strength, and resilience. From concept to completion, Defy Fiberglass delivers safe, durable, and low-maintenance solutions. When safety and longevity can't be compromised, partner with Defy Fiberglass. We're ready when you are. Contact us today.